What up, what up, what up, y'all? Just setting up. What's good? What's good? Yo, y'all already know the weather conditions out there. I've been in the house, got my favorite t-shirt on. Everybody has one. You know that comfortable t-shirt that, yo, it's real comfortable. You can sleep in it, lay in it, everything you want to do in it, all right? You know, to a certain extent. So anyway, I've been in the house. That's why I'm dressed like this, you know. And I wasn't going to do it today, but I said today's a good day. It's late. It's like 3:30 in the morning, something like that. But y'all, I just want to rock with y'all because y'all know I'm that dude. This is volume 18. And y'all know how I get y'all. Yo, I'd like to give a shout out to my man, D Hicks, man. Yo, that pre-New Year's party, yo, it was fire. I enjoyed myself, and I want to tell you thank you for everything. All right? My brother, I love you. We go back 20, 25? Over 25. Facts. Hold on. I didn't know how I was going to have my drink today, y'all. I didn't know if I was going to have it on the rocks. Well, y'all know my ice balls, you know, easy. I didn't know if I want it neat or if I want it on the rocks. The rocks or I want it neat. If y'all know what I'm doing, I got 2 cameras on me, y'all. So y'all might be like, who's he talking to? So anyway, I think I'm going to go with the rocks. Today's drink. All drinkers know when you pull out this black box. Everybody know what it is. Everybody know what it is. All right? It's the double black, Johnny Walker. I'd like to give a shout out to Gigi. You know that's my sister. Love you. Yo, somebody remind me I got to do a random before I get off. All right, thank you. If y'all know what I'm doing, I just ran out of space on my iPad. Mad now. Drive me crazy.
Now check, I'm taking no losses. Now I'm the boss and I see you flossing my way with the grace all up in my face. So I say, what's up, love? How you doing? What you think about me and you?
Yo, to 2018, y'all. Yo, did I ever tell y'all? Yo, Happy New Year. Did I tell y'all that? Yo, to 2018. Looking better.
Nah, but wait, let's make a date. Plans for dinner. I'm down to take it slow, cause you know that she's a winner. Got me feeling for the cream, don't you know? I'm moving in slow, but keep it low. Yeah, baby, boo, yo, what's up with you? Word around campus. things that you like it with you. I wanna freak it, but first I'm gonna take a peek at it. Grab it, stab it, cause you know I got to have it. So hit me I got my mind on my money.
And I wasn't really going to do this today, too. My executive producer motivated me, had me laughing, cracking jokes. So I said, yo, let me just do this. Let me do this. Yo, let me see what else I got for y'all. Hold on. I got something else. Hold on. Hold on. Who is this? Who is this?
And tell your bitch to come in. And as I start to pick up the pace and getting that ass. You know my shit, y'all. Gas, get louder. Keep it to the bed. And stretch, we all to the bed. And stretch, keep it going to the bed. And stretch, we all to the bed. And stretch, check the line, go side to side. And keep it going side to side. And keep it going side to side. And go side to side.
Y'all remember this?
Keep it going side to side. Keep it going, let me tell you, keep it, bring it up and let me get the facts. You ain't keep it, bring it up and let me get the facts. You ever try to get somebody just get wrecked? You ain't keep it, bring it up and let me get the facts. We go all to the place, it's all keep it, bring it. Yes, my bird, all the trooper love, definitely got it going on. All the facts, definitely got it going on. Virginia State, definitely got it going on. 145th, definitely got it going on. And the Apollo, definitely got it going on. Virginia State, got it going on. Turn up. As you know, we get fun. I'm gonna get exclusive right up. Number one thing.
Yo, I'd like to give a shout out to Lorenzo again. Yo, Lorenz, my brother, Zoe, knows some tapes you have loaned me, man. They ain't here somewhere, but you know what that means. Yo, AC, yo, holla at your boy, all right? Yo, I gotta see you. You heard? Let me see what else is on here. Let me see what else is on here. Everybody got their bend and stretch on. Let's go.
Because ain't another million, so competitors bow.
Not really slow, distorted right there. What else I got for y'all? Hold on. I had something.
Life magazine, so we gotta get all the way tough on this one, right? That was a good stop. That stop was the bomb in the pocket, in the pocket.
Yo, I'd like to give a shout out to my man Jeff Jordan. What up, Jeff? I'd like to give a shout out to Lady D Wells, all right? Yo, you did your thing, all right? Love you. Who else I gotta give a shout out to? Yo, come on, help me out. Y'all, help me out. Who else I gotta give a shout out to? Y'all, let me know. Yo, if y'all leave no comments, Let me know. Yo, give me that shout out, Corey. Y'all can't get a shout out. I'm telling y'all. Y'all see me in the streets, y'all walk by. Yo, give me a shout out. Y'all think I'm supposed to remember? Oh, shout out to my man RC. You know, I'm gonna get up with you later. All right? I'd like to give Stacy a shout out. All right? Harlem. Especially my other girl, Stace, from John H. Finley, 129. Stace, what's good? I'm going to tag you into this. All right. Yo, shout out to everybody, man, when I was up and I couldn't sleep and y'all was talking to me and let me know what y'all was doing. Shout out to everybody. Even when y'all woke up and y'all still was, and it wasn't even morning time. Yo, shout out to y'all, man. All right? Yo, did I tell you that story? Remember back in the days when we used to go to the club and then we were like this. Yo, you got a number? And you used to like, yo, you got a pen? But then you ain't want to have a pen because you wanted to be like McThirsty. You didn't want to be thirsty, so you used to front. You used to have a pen, but you used to go to your man. You be like this, yo, you got a pen? Then he'll come and give you a pen like you wasn't trying to come and get no numbers or anything. Remember that? Yo, those are the fun days. Then, you know, I had to improvise. Time goes on. Technology came up. So I didn't really want to keep with Shorty, you know, for a long time. So I came up with these cards. And this card I just came across. Digging in my boxes and my crates. Yo, I came up, I was like this, I was handing these out. This is funny. And I ain't want to be around. That was like my business card. You know, get at me. I still say it to this day. Yo, get at me. Yo, I can keep going. I can keep going with this joint. This joint is crazy.
Like I said, we're in the old school.
Yeah.
Right about now.
Yo, I just feel like getting up dancing. Yo, I said I need a dance in the background. All right? Come on.
In the old school, ain't the place to be the town. I'm the dude about to start now. Now back in the days when I was at the people on Wednesday nights, they used to have the Grand Master. But you know what? Star Child is the great up. Here we go.
to stop. Yo, I might come back. Y'all know me. Y'all might get a volume 18A. I'm going to let y'all know what may happen. I don't know, because I was watching Bright. I'm going to keep it funny. I'm going to put that out there. I was watching Bright. It was good. Then I just got a phone call and, you know, whatever. But that's what shit happens. That's what happens. That's why you got a pause button. Shout out to my man Kid Capri. Yo, shout out to E. Kim. Yo, shout out to my man Big Joe. Yo, Big Joe. What up? Joe Moore. You know, DJ Joe Moore. What up? Shout out to Jerry. Alright? What up, Jerry? Garbage Stompers. We in the building. We always in the building. Stop, let me get a random. Got one. Random. Hold on. Let me see. Nah, here. Here. No? No? Oh. Not that side. Hold on. Random, y'all.
For the money, yes sir, two for the show. A couple of years ago, on Headland and the low, rush the starter, something good. With me and my nigga rose the martyr, through the hood, just trying to find that hook up. Now every day.
Yo, I miss those days in my room at Mama Morgan's house. You know what I'm saying? We used to just be up there blasting music, acting crazy, drinking 40s. You know what I'm saying? Yo, y'all remember those days, y'all? Everybody that was at Mama Morgan's house, yo. It was great times, man. Shout out to everybody, y'all, that came to Mama's Morgan, copped a plate, yo, had drinks in there, celebrated their birthday. We went out and everything. Yo, those are the good days, man. I miss those days.
I looked up at the ceiling, watching ceiling fans go round, trying to catch that feeling off instrumental. Had my pencil and plus my paper. We thought the 86 lock on your head and duplicator, writing rounds, trying to find our spot off in that light off in that spot, knowing that we can rhyme, doing the hole in the wrong clubs. This shit here must stop, like freeze. We making the crowd move, but we not making no keys, and that's a no.
A 1-2 dope niggas in the Cadillac, they call us. Went from Players ball to balls, putting us up on the map. It's like Little Rock to banging. Niggas say motherfuck that playing, they paying. We staying legging, vocab done. Made it with them big boys up in this industry. Outcast, yeah, them niggas they making big noise over a million souls to this day. Niggas they take it like they 96 gon' be that, yeah, that all y'all players that just get by me. And I'm letting you, your mama and your cousin too. Going down the strip on the road, slumming up, slamming Cadillac doors. Me and you, your mama and your cousin too. Going down the strip on the road, slumming up, slamming Cadillac doors. Back in the day when I was younger, hunger.
Yo, this is my outro too, y'all. Alright? Yo, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Yo, volume 19, or y'all might see 18A. You know, depending on how I'm feeling. Because I took this one on the rocks. The next one I'm gonna have neat. Alright? See y'all. Peace.
Gonna fill me belly with that rallies. Bullshit, pull shit off like it was supposed to be pulled. Was it a tick I was? Don't like no white boy.